Say welcome back to the channel if you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel.
Why are you making yourself up?
No, it's alright, just don't. You're very ill now, aren't you? I'm not too good myself, but you're worse.
I'm worse today, I think.
Stay here.
It's all swollen all around my throat. I can't swallow. It's my absolute coughing. I had a really rubbish night's sleep. And it was mentally cold last night. I had to put about 2 o'clock I woke up freezing. It was like 5 on the heat temperature.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, we need to nip out and get some diesel anyway, so we'll go to the chemist and see what we can pick up. So there won't be much going on today.
No. You can do whatever.
I'll probably play PlayStation, to be fair.
Yeah.
Okay. You sit in the corner, rock yourself into some kind of insanity, and I'll shoot zombies in the face.
Okay.
It's the last day today, so we've got to go tomorrow. Didn't film much yesterday because we were just ill. See if this is working. This was frozen yesterday. Still is. Frozen solid. I want to get a shower, but I don't know how much water we got in the tank. We couldn't fill it yesterday because it was frozen. I was hoping that would have melted. Melted? Yeah, melted. Thawed. Hose pipe solid. So maybe that will as the day goes on, but hopefully I've got enough for a shower. I think I have. And we're going to go for a walk. Mrs H is feeling a bit better. I'm the same. I feel exactly the same. But we're going to go for a little walk. It's not as sunny today, unfortunately. It's going to rain later, which, as we know, messes with my engine. But I do have a cover on the engine, so hopefully that'll help it. Anyway, let's go and make this beautiful. So we're trying this out, which is a slow cooker. It's like a mini slow cooker. Look at that. And small one. T-Bone's knocked up a bolognese, and we've put it on the Ecfo Flow to see what kind of power it uses. We reckon 3 hours, don't we? It's going to take.
Yeah, it's really small.
It is quite small, so
definitely only for 2 people. I want 2 people, but I mean, usually cooks that little bit.
Ecfo Flow saying 111 watts. It's on full power, and 7 hours it will take to drain that, but we reckon 3, so we'll see what we got left.
Half the recipe, it said 6 hours on what did it say, 6 hours on a high,
yeah,
or 8 on low, but I've halved the recipe and it's only mince and a bit of veg. I can't see it being that long, really.
No, we'll have a go, see if it's a good thing for van life, isn't it? I've dragged her out for some fresh air. Oh. Taking her for a date at the pub.
Too ill.
And there's no pavement either. It's a bit dodgy walking down here. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, green.
Cars everywhere. Oh, blimey. Is there a pavement over there?
Yeah.
There is there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Let's cross over. Look at bumping there. Hey? Let's cross over there. Blimey. There is there, isn't there? Isn't this a pavement?
No.
Found a pavement.
It's a bit safer.
That's dodgy, that, wasn't it? I could have died. We'll try that again, be more professional. Where are we going to?
A little pub I've just seen. We're right near where I come and do my laundry at, and it's right at the gaslight, ready to drag me out ill. Just because he thinks it's a holiday.
It'd be good.
I probably do need a bit of fresh air, to be fair.
Get out the van.
I slept for 4 hours in the chair outside, didn't I, yesterday?
Yeah, it was
in
nice
the sunshine. It was nice. You weren't in there. You were inside.
I went and shot zombies in the face.
It was nice for you.
I was bored.
I feel really, my chest is really bad. But,
Right.
it's only a few minute walk, so we're just going to have a little stroll.
It's not far. We'll have a little drink and then we'll come back and see what the slow cooker's doing.
Oh, yeah, I'm not sure about that. It's a nice size now for 2 people, but I've never really used one, so I don't really know what to do with it. I did have one, excuse me, years ago, but it was massive, and I just couldn't really see the point of it, to be fair. But I'll try. I like the sound of the little one, so we'll give it a whirl.
We'll give it a try.
I'll just sleep on the way.
Here we are. Excited, aren't you? First time been out in the van in 3 days.
I'm excited to sit down. It looked cosy to sit.
It was alright, it was only about a 10-minute walk on it.
Yeah, it was a fight. Freezing, isn't it?
Yeah. So, what is your verdict on the, what was it called?
Holly tree.
The holly tree in, where is it?
Warburton.
Warburton.
It wasn't very welcome. It was bloody freezing in there, wasn't it?
It was. We was hoping for a log fire.
Yeah, which they put on as we were leaving with one little tiny log.
Yeah.
I don't know, it just wasn't... It looks really nice from outside, and I'm sure it probably gets quite busy in the summer because it's got lots of nice outside seating. But, you know, I expected more, but it's fine. Ooh. I don't feel great anyway. So it's just a quick little bit of fresh air to get out, isn't it, and see how we feel.
Yeah, lots of traffic.
Okay.
Just saying.
Just some little ducks there and some kids fishing out throwing those fish backs. It's going to do a bit of a run, but...
What's a fish brack?
Fish back. Come on. Can you leave me alone? So this is happening, you start pointing cameras in my face.
This camera's going crazy. I don't know why it won't go straight.
Good, I'm glad.
What are you doing?
Don't look at me. But nobody wants to hear that.
What?
Look at yourself.
What?
Nobody wants to hear me coughing.
Oh.
It's cold though, isn't it?
Go on, disappeared. Where are you?
I'm on the other side of the
No,
road.
it's weird. It's just me walking on my own.
I'm back.
Right, so
now.
we're going back to the van and the slow cooker should be done, shouldn't it?
Don't know. Technically it said 6 hours. It's been in like 2.
3.
3. No, 2. 2.5. Maybe.
Okay, well by the time we get back...
It's only mincing a bit of veg though. I mean, like, how long does it take to cook? It takes like 10 minutes on a pan.
Well, it's in the it's in the name of it, isn't it? It's a slow cooker.
Okay, I suppose I can curl up for a bit, have another little snooze.
Yeah, go to bed early. We've got to go tomorrow.
Yeah.
Back in the wilderness, aren't we?
Yep.
Back in the wild.
Fighting for your electric, fighting for your water, fighting to empty the loo.
Parking in a road near you, maybe. Who knows? Right, let's go. I'm turning this off now. Bye.
Bye.
Just got back. The water should work now. It was frozen this morning, wasn't it? I think that's working. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. So we'll fill that up. Get in the van. It's warm. Something's going on with this camera. Oh, just opened the door. It smells gorgeous in here. The old slow cooker's been going. Oh, how long has it been on? About 3 hours. Yeah, let's get some lights on in here. And we'll get the heater on. It's freezing. Oh, that's better. There we go. Did you smell it?
Smell what? The bolognese, yeah.
As you came in, it was like, oh, that's lovely. So it's been on for about 3 hours, isn't it? That's how much power we've used. It's on 68%.
Okay, so what do you use?
On the Ecfo Flow. Well, obviously we was at 99%, so it's used 30%.
So we did the auto, didn't we?
And we left it on auto, so it's just been basically on high power the whole time, isn't it? Is that done? I don't know why I'm talking like you. Is it done?
Yeah. Needs something.
It needs something. It needs chips.
Needs some. Every time I talk. Pasta. Oh, I was exhausted.
Yeah, we're done in now because we're still ill, so that was a bit like... Ugh.
Seemed like a good idea to get some fresh air. It probably was a good idea. But...
Alright, mush.
Sorry.
Diesel heater's on. So, you reckon that's done then? Have we turned it off?
I mean, yeah, I don't know if it's how I would have done it. I think it would have been thicker if I'd have done it on the hob. But I had to use half the ingredients, so... Yeah.
Well, we're only just seeing what, what it does.
You can turn it off for a minute if you're not ready. I've got to make pasta anyway. I suppose it'd be quite useful as like keeping warming pot as well, wouldn't it? I think.
Yeah. Well, it hasn't used a lot of power.
No, I know, and that's on auto, wasn't it? So if you'd have put it on low.
Because you can put it on low, because at the minute it's using 109 watts.
I'd like to do some proper meat in there, like chicken or.
Well, if we knock it down to low.
And then obviously that's when you get it nice and tender, isn't it? I mean, mince is easy to cook, so it probably wasn't the right thing to demonstrate, but yeah, that was too frosted.
That goes down to 83 watts, and now the time remaining has gone up to 7 hours from 5 hours. So, I mean, that could just simmer there.
Yeah, keep it on low for a bit.
For a bit until we're ready.
You're supposed to put red wine in bolognese. We didn't have any.
Why?
Why didn't we have any? Well, that's obvious.
Because we drank it last night watching Squid Games.
You drank it all.
Yeah, and then I had whiskey. Sorry, I've sounded like a pirate then. Steve.
No, just because you think that makes you better. Kills me.
Right, this is it. Got
Didn't
leftover
have spaghetti. Got some pasta shells. Near enough.
Do?
And
bit garlic
you
bread.
wanted some chips, didn't you?
They're left over from yesterday. So what did you do? Bung them in the air fry quick.
Yeah.
Looks nice. Smells gorgeous.
Yeah, I think it could be a good idea having it actually.
Yeah, I think if we embrace it, it could be good actually.
Yeah, I just get used to using it, isn't it? I suppose because I'm not used to ever having one. But yeah, I'm hungry now. It's good. It was ready.
But what it means is as well, if we got stuff prepared, I can chuck stuff in it in advance for you coming back from work, and then dinner's practically made, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it was. Try it.
So that'd be good as well. Save you some time when you come in from work, because I'm useless. I can't cook.
So basically, I have to cook, and you just have to put it in a pot and heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then it makes the van smell nice. Otherwise, it just smells of me.
So you can sit there all day going, oh, dinner's coming.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, it smells good.
When was you back so I can eat it?
I need to eat mine. I'm putting this down. What are you doing?
I was making a blanket neat. Why?
Like you're doing a magic trick, like disappear. That would have been funny, that.
If I disappeared, you'd love that, wouldn't you? No, you wouldn't, because like, then what are you going to eat? You've only learnt just how to switch on a slow cooker. You're screwed otherwise, really.
Okay, sketchy facts about slow cooker go.
Sketchy fact. Well, I don't think it was. I think definitely it was more than one or two people, because that was a massive portion when we actually were like trudging through it. There was probably easily 3, I reckon, maybe 4. It was bigger than you think. I think it's a 1.2 litre from Lakeland. It was our little Christmas present off Harley and Adam, wasn't it? But yeah, I'm excited to try it out, do some different things. I bet there's loads of people who know loads of good recipes and easy. But then I was thinking, handy to do mulled wine at Christmas.
No, you don't.
Cheese fondue, like in 80s, was it 80s, 60s, 50s? When did they do that?
70s probably.
Probably. I wasn't old enough.
You missed the golden age. You missed the golden era.
I did. So, but yeah, and like you could have chocolate, strawberries, marshmallows. I don't know. I've gone off track with the whole thing, what it's for. But thinking, yeah, it'd be nice to actually try out some meat in there. And I think the timing, it's saying 6 hours. On the recipe that I looked at, that was probably for a full-on, like, 4 to 6 portion one in a big one. So, and it's only mince, so I reckon 2 hours plenty for that, doing that. And I think if you're doing something vegetarian, again, wouldn't need that long, would it? But I'm not a pro, because it's like the second time I've ever used one. But yeah, let's give it a go.
It didn't use all that much power, did it? Considering it was on for about 4 hours in the end, wasn't it? So you could put it on the lower setting, couldn't you? I reckon.
I reckon, yeah,
anyway,
definitely.
And it was
definitely
still
put it on the low, a couple of hours.
Yeah.
I don't know, I suppose there's all sorts of options you can do with it, isn't it? I just haven't really explored it because I've not really ever used one. But
We'll experiment with it.
we'll experiment and let you guys know how it goes.
Cool, nice one. See ya.
Bye.